My name's Larry with L&M Custom Graphics. I'm going to show you how to install a set of eyes on your Jeep. I have the grill off. This just makes it easier for install, and it makes it easier for this video. First off, you want to take, and this is a bottle of water with some soap in it, and you want to clean this very well. Any dirt around the edges is going to make this fail. So after you get this clean, open up your set of eyes, and you're going to get one for the left and right side. And inside your packet, you're going to get this eye, and you're going to get this eye. You can face these however you want, either that way or that way. That's totally up to you. Me personally, I'm going to go with them running inside. You're going to get a set of instructions, and the instructions will follow what I'm doing here. And this knife is nice to have. I have them on the website for $2. If you want to buy it when you buy your set of eyes, you can. And you also get a free decal at the top. So after you clean this, I don't pre-cut the decals just for the simple fact every one of them is a little different. And it's a little bit easier to do it without the cuts, to place it on here first. So you want to get this centered. Don't tack it down yet, because you might want to move it around a little bit. Preferably do this inside of a building so that the sun doesn't start to warp this decal around. Doesn't have to be precise, because when the grill goes over top of it, it's going to hide this edge. And if you have the rings, this is a JL, if you have the rings inside your grill, you might want to step it down and get a 7-inch or one for JK, because it's actually going to lessen this hole. So once you get it situated in there the way you want it, I go ahead and tack this area in here. Lift the edges up. Take your knife and slice it. And do the same thing over here. I usually come in pretty deep. Press that in. Now I leave these hanging, and I come down here and do the same thing. This piece is going to overlap that piece. You're not going to see it. Let's go ahead and make this cut and lay this section. This is a paper, it's trash. This is not the decal. You can tell the difference. This one's so much brighter. So this is just trash. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the other side. If you notice here, we also do the turn signals, do the tail lights, side windows. It can all match. We also do the side vent decals and the interior vent decals and steering wheel. To give you a little closer look. To give you a little better idea. Do the back windows, tail lights. We can do those windows. That's a perforated. Also do these inside vent.